students, coming to the next topic, that is the LANs. So this is one of the important topic. LAN, everyone know that LAN is nothing but local area network. So within an organization or within a school or campus, whatever your institutions, everyone are connecting the systems by using this LAN only, the local area network. So within the campus, you can go for LAN. A network that connects a relatively small number of machines. So you have to remember that it is a relatively small number of machines in a relatively close geographical area, means in a small area, close geographical area. So that is about the LAN network. Here the various configurations called topologies. So I already explained, by using the LAN we can establish the networks by using different topologies, which I have been used to administrate the local area network. So that I explained about the ring, star and bus topologies. So that I already said, by using with the help of LAN, the LAN local area network can be arranged in the form of ring topology, star topology, bus topology. So ring topology is nothing but here the configuration that connects all the nodes in a closed loop. All the nodes are connected in a closed loops on which message travels in only one direction. So in the ring, the message will be travels in only one direction. So this is a ring network. And coming to the star here in this configuration, that center that centers around one node to which all others are connected and through which all messages are sent. So with the help of the center network only, a center node, or you can take whatever it may, so that is a router, switch or hub. So with the help of the center network, we are passing the messages to all the nodes that are present in the topology. So this is completely, the representation is a connection, you call it as a LAN, a local area network. But representation, we can arrange local area network in any of the form, with the help of ring or with the help of star, and you can arrange the local area network the systems or in the form of bus. And coming to the bus, here in the bus topology, all nodes are connected to a single communication line, only the single communication line that carries message in both the directions. But here the message will only travels in only one direction in ring, but in bus topology the message will be passed in both direction. So this local area network may be a wired or wireless, based on the requirement, the usages, you can go for the wired network or wireless network. And coming to the bus technology that we used in the LAN is Ethernet. A bus technology called Ethernet has become the industry standard for local area networks. So for whatever the local area network we are taking, so the standard bus technology that we use is the Ethernet. Ethernet is the standard bus technology. So that you have to be remembered. And in LAN, the broadcast data at high data transfer rates with very low error rates will be possible. So since the LAN first appeared in 1970s, so the local area network is appeared in 1970s. Its uses has become widespread in commercial as well as in academic environment. So this local area network is widely spread in commercial as well as academic environment. Now let me write the primary functions of local area network. So what are the primary functions of local area network? First is file serving. The first primary function of using the local area network is the file serving. So here a large storage disk drive acts as a central storage repository. So this is the first primary function. And next, print serving. So this LAN can helpful in print serving. How? It providing the authorization to access particular printer. So by providing the particular printer, there is a print serving will be available in local area network by using local area network. So now next, coming to the next primary function. So that is the third one is video transfer. So how it is useful in video transfer? A high speed local area network or capable of supporting video images and live video transfer. So by using the high-speed local area networks, it is capable of supporting video images as well as live video transfers. And next, coming to the next primary function is manufacturing support. Manufacturing support. In manufacturing supports, local area network can support manufacturing and industrial environment. Next, coming to the academic support. So we all know how we use the local area network in academic field. So academic support. So in classrooms or in labs, so or by using the wireless, everything in these fields the local area network can be used. So the most thing is email support. Email support, interconnection between multiple systems. So if you want to make that email friendly, so the main thing is there should be an interconnection between multiple systems. So these are the different features of primary features of by using local area network. So let me explain the local area network in a building, how it is connected in a building. So this is a bus topology. I am arranging the systems in bus topology with the help of Ethernet. The bus technology that I am using is Ethernet. So this Ethernet will be connected to a central system, so that you take it as a bridge. A bridge may be a router or whatever it may be. So these are all the cable switches that are connected to bridge. So this bridge will be connecting to another system which are arranged in another block. So in the same campus, so this is one room and this is another room. So these systems will be connected with the help of Ethernet that will be connected to the bridge. So the bridge is acting as a central system, and here the systems, the nodes are connected in the form of ring topology. So here a token ring is passing. A message will be passing in the form of token ring. So this is how the local area network is arranged in a building. So with the help of the bridge, we are connecting all the systems that are present in different rooms with the help of a router or a switches or a bridges. So whatever the central device we are taking. Now coming to the characteristics of local area network. Characteristics. So first one is, it is small size. Next, here the transmission technology, we will use a single cable. Next characteristics is transmissional technology. That is Ethernet we are using, that is a single cable. And its cable speed is about from 10 megabits per second to almost 10 gigabits per second. Okay. And here we will use the topologies. I said different topologies we are using in the LAN. The topologies that we are using is the bus, ring. So the bus we use Ethernet. The bus technology that we use is the Ethernet. The speed will be from 10 or 100 megabits per second. Whereas in ring we use the bus technology is IBM token ring. And this speed will be from 4 or 16 megabits per second. Okay. So these are the characteristics of local area network. And now coming to the advantages and disadvantages of using local area network. Advantages. Advantages of LAN. So this is, I'm talking about the local area network. So the advantages of the LAN is individual workstations, might helpful for surviving the network failures. So that is the first advantage, useful advantage. Individual workstation might survive network failures. And here the components and systems evaluation are possible. The system evaluations and the component evaluations are possible in the local area network. And it also access to other local area networks and wide area networks. So those are the advantages of using the local area network. Coming to the disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages of using the LAN? Here, equipment and support can be costly because we required so many of cables, so that's why equipment and support can be costly. And some type of hardware may not interoperates. It is not supportable to all the devices. So some type of hardwares may not interoperates. And also a LAN consists of many links. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of using the local area network. Thank you.